Hello friends, today topic is how to use Telegram in Pakistan without VPN. Telegram proxy for Pakistan 2023. Telegram is a popular instant messaging app that offers a fast and sure sure way of with friends and family files and joining groups and channels. However, in some countries like Pakistan, Telegram is blocked by the government, making it inaccessible to its citizens. For, for There is a way to use Telegram in Pakistan without VPN, and that is by using a Telegram proxy. In this article, we will guide you on how to use Telegram in Pakistan without VPN by using a Telegram proxy. What is a Telegram proxy? A Telegram proxy is an intermediary server that acts as a bridge between your device and Telegram service. By using a Telegram proxy, your internet traffic is routed through a server located in a different country, making it appear as if you are accessing Telegram from that country. This is a useful tool for accessing Telegram in countries where it is blocked or restricted. How to use Telegram in Pakistan without VPN using a Telegram proxy. Using a Telegram proxy to access Telegram in Pakistan is a simple process. Follow the step below. Step 1. Choose a reliable Telegram proxy. There are several Telegram proxies available on the internet. However, it is important to choose and search proxy. Sure proxy to ensure your online proxy and security. Some of the most popular Telegram proxies include proxy. This is the official Telegram proxy, and it offers a high level of security and encryption. This is a widely used proxy type that offers fast speeds and is compatible with most devices. HTTP proxy. This is another widely used proxy type that is compatible with most devices. Step 2. Configure the Telegram proxy. Once you have chosen an Telegram proxy, you need to configure it on your device. Follow these steps. Open the Telegram app on your device. Click on the menu icon there horizontal lines in the top left corner of the app. Click on setting. Click on data and storage. Select the proxy type you have chosen. Enter the proxy server address and port number. Enter your proxy username and password if required. Click on save. Step 3, test the Telegram proxy. After configuring the Telegram proxy, you need to test it to ensure that it is working correctly. Follow these steps. Open the Telegram app on your device. Click on the menu icon there in the top left corner of the app. Click on setting. Click on data and storage. Scroll down and click on proxy setting. Click on check proxy. If the Telegram proxy is working correctly, you will see a message saying connection is successful. You can now use Telegram in Pakistan without VPN. Using a Telegram proxy is a reliable and sure way to access Telegram in Pakistan without VPN. By following the simple steps outlined in this article, you can configure a Telegram proxy on your device and enjoy all the features and benefits of Telegram without restriction. Remember to choose a reliable and sure proxy to ensure your online privacy and security.